I'm alone, I'm alright. It's okay.
So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I do have this beautiful Indian machine with me. Actually it was a Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350, a BS4 variant. Basically it was all about the performance, which I do say from my side. इससे बेटर और इससे बेस्ट इंडियन मशीन आज तक ना हुई है शायद, और ना कभी होगी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई रॉयल एनफील्ड हैज़ जस्ट stopped मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ इट, and it was being replaced by Meteor 350. But I do say that this was a limited stock bike और ये आज मुझे मिली. So I just thought that was just a motor vlog in it and just tell you guys that how does it perform on the road. एक तो हो गया पेपर. Yeah, while going through the paper, which I can say is that this washed engine, roughly a whole bike. Basically this engine produces about 25 of bhp and 18 nm of torque, which was more than enough for a bike which you are buying to cruise only, because it is a cruiser. Exhaust by the company. And then talking about it much, rather than talking about it, I do feel that we should have a proper ride, and I will give you my reviews, my ways of what I think, how it was working. So firstly, exhaust note. So it was very linear, a linear one, and yeah, exhaust was linear, and yeah, the thumb was too good. A perfect and ideal machine. So now let's for a ride and see how does it react. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed was the thumb. The thumb of Royal Enfield Thunderbird was too good. It was not either too loud. Let me close my visor. Okay, so the thumb was either not too loud. It was just good and adorable music which a biker want to listen. Yeah, the second thing which I was noticing was these handlebars. They are just in proper and they are in proper shape. देखो कितना ऊपर है. They are about in the length of my chest, which was supporting me while touring too much. For the shape, I was very proud to say that this machine was built by our Indian company. Actually Royal Enfield, I think it was established in India about 1901. Yeah, actually 1901, yeah, or you can say 19th century. And they are manufacturing this machine since 19th century. Until now, often they never disappointed us. But what I do think now, the company has launched the Meteor, but say itne अच्छी handling. The handling was quite good that I can turn is the whole bike over the radius. ये रोड भी ना दुगनी है, इसके हाफ रेडियस में भी I can turn this whole bike up. And just see, you can see the handling. Handling was quite good. I mean to say, you are not feeling that you are taking this much of heavy body with yourself. And touring capability of this bike. Actually this bike was really meant for touring on purposes, and yeah, the touring capability was too good. Even I could, if anyone was going through the Royal Enfield na, the only mentality on their mind was to cruise, because these bikes or these machines are not meant for revving, or you can say to achieve any speed which you want to. These machines are not for that, because if you will take it to that extreme, it will suck, bro. The center of gravity of this bike was just balanced backward, and might you know that center of gravity was too important while you are going through the corners like this. So these are not meant for leaning, but yeah, these are meant for touring. If you want to tour, nothing was much more good than it. And yeah, while we are going through the Meteor, I could say that Meteor 350 was also a good bike. Even it was too much refined. You would not feel that much of vibrations in it. Actually, the sound was melody. But what I do think from my side was, यार, if you are carrying a 350 cc's of a bike, this washed engine, तो कुछ feel तो होना ही चाहिए यार. Neither like in Meteor you are riding and it was that much of smooth, that much of silent that you cannot even admire that yeah, you are going through any machine, I mean to say. But this bike, the humpness, the thumbness, just proper guys, proper. What a thumb. Even I am feeling little of vibration in my legs, and which was seducing me off, bro. Rather than if you are using Royal Enfield na, you are missing if you are using Royal Enfield VS6 model, then I am pretty sure from my side that you are definitely missing this thumbness, for which Royal Enfield is meant for. Even from my side, I would say that classic, I do not prefer classic that much, that I prefer this Thunderbird. Because yeah, they see, these bikes are meant for touring, okay? As we all know, touring, or you can say cruising. For cruising, you would need this handle. Need any effort to move your bikes on. It was like just you are sitting in an ideal position, and these handlebar are just straight upward, which are supporting you a lot. And yeah, and off-road capability and this suspension, these are also too good. Yeah, and braking, I could say these are one you can say the weight of these disc pads. Actually this is BS4 version, so it doesn't have any ABS in it, but still these disc brakes are providing a quick bite. These bites are too good. Even you just need only your one finger. You just need only your one finger to stop this whole machine. What could you expect rather than this? Actually, the main and the proudest movement, yeah, it was an Indian company, and our country was doing that good. They are giving us that good machines. While going through the previous video, admired that yeah, it was really a worst, I could say, worst audio quality. But what to do, yaar? It was my first video and I don't know anything, how to make it, how to do it. I was just like wearing a helmet and just started a motor vlog, and it just sucks, I know. But for this one, I have improved a lot. I have ordered one of my external mic, which was of JBL. So please guys, tell me that the audio quality was good, अच्छे से सुनाई दे रहा है, या फिर जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, just share with me. I would try hard to make it clear on my next videos. And yeah, stay connected, cause आगे काफ़ी अच्छे कंटेंट आने वाले हैं. Actually our baby was in hospital ना, अपनी वाइट वॉकर हॉस्पिटलाइज हो रखी है, एकदम लाइफ स्लो सी हो रखी है यार. आई वुड लाइक टेल यू दैट जल्द ही वो अपने को मिलने वाली है. फिर तो उसके बाद तो वी विल जस्ट रॉक दिस. Yeah, who are watching this video first time, for them only I would like to tell that yeah, it was my second vlog. Even first vlog was worst, no audio quality. Video quality was quite good, but what to do when you are not able to listen me and I am doing the vlog? No, I don't find any reason for that. So I would like to say that yeah, I was improving it day by day, and yeah, I'm making sure आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, बट भाई नई चीज़ें तो हम सीखते रहेंगे. or and we will apply it for sure also. By the way, just see this off-roading capability. Okay, nothing bothering. These bikes are meant for cruising, not for sports or not for high speed, as I told you earlier. So I think 110 or 120 was more than enough for her. But as you will increase from 100 to 110, it will definitely harm your engine, because its engine, it was not meant for that, or it was not meant for revving purposes. It was just meant for going linear from one gear to another gear to third gear to fourth gear, and just cruise like that only. And if you are thinking, or if you are a person like that, actually I do say from my side, I was not meant for these bikes. I do even I had harmed engine of Thunderbird 350 of my friend bike. I was just revving it and comparing it with RC 390. So it was a 390, but it was that was a sports model that was meant for revving, but this was not. And from that day onward, I do realize one thing, that yeah, if you need to tour, or if you are a tourer, then only go through it, rather than no. And yeah, apart from that, ज़्यादा आगे हम लोग अब वापस चलते हैं. If you enjoyed this vlog, or if you enjoyed it, actually it was a short vlog. I was just trying to gain some skills. For that I am doing this. So it was just a short vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, so please do like it, do subscribe it, or do share it. Actually, if you would share now, or if you would subscribe, then only you will connect it to me, and to me for my next or upcoming journeys. So do like it, do share it, do subscribe it, and just take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye bye.